Hello everyone, welcome to our latest video. Today we'll guide you through installing WordPress on your selected server. Head to Options and click on the WordPress icon. Choose your server and enter your desired domain name, like opdomain.com. Once the installation process is finished, click on the settings icon to view the DNS Records settings. Follow along with the instructions demonstrated in this video to add the necessary DNS records. Once the DNS entries are complete, you'll have access to the website and can log in to OWP admin using the credentials provided in the Ops section. Thank you for watching.